When you compare Foodsaver versus Nesco as brands, you're really looking at two different philosophies of food preservation. Foodsaver has built its reputation on convenience, consistency, and a wide range of models that fit seamlessly into everyday kitchens. You can feel that philosophy in the way their machines are designed to be approachable with intuitive controls and features that let you seal food quickly and confidently. Nesco, by contrast, approaches vacuum sealing with an emphasis on control and customization. Their machines often give you more choices in terms of sealing strength, modes, and settings, and that makes them especially appealing if you like to fine-tune the way you preserve your food. Both brands deliver freshness and extended shelf life, but they invite you to experience the process in different ways. Foodsaver makes it effortless, while Nesco makes it versatile. Which style do you think would fit better in your kitchen routine, the simplicity of Foodsaver or the versatility of Nesco? That distinction becomes even clearer when you put two of their most popular models side by side, the Nesco VS-12 versus Foodsaver 4840. At first glance, the Foodsaver 4840 feels like a polished, all-in-one station. It has a built-in handheld sealer that extends its reach beyond bags to containers, zipper bags, and even wine stoppers, so you feel like you're getting a whole system in one machine. The Nesco VS-12, on the other hand, presents itself as a powerhouse of customization. Its control panel gives you multiple sealing options, including single and double seals, plus variable vacuum pressures that let you choose between normal and gentle modes. The moment you start using it, you sense that this is a machine designed to adapt to whatever you're sealing, whether it's a stack of ribeye steaks or a handful of delicate raspberries. When you're sealing with the Foodsaver 4840, the process feels almost automatic. You insert the bag and the machine detects it, pulling the air out with a steady hum and finishing with a strong, reliable seal. It's the kind of experience that makes you feel like the machine is doing the thinking for you, which is perfect when you want to move quickly through a batch of food. The Nesco VS-12, by contrast, puts you in the driver's seat. You press the button for a double seal, and you can hear and see the machine lay down two parallel lines of protection. Giving you a sense of security that's almost tactile. You choose the gentle mode for a bag of muffins, and the machine responds with a softer pull, leaving the food intact but still locked in freshness. It's a more hands-on experience, one that rewards you with precision and flexibility. Do you like having that kind of control when you cook, or do you prefer a machine that just takes care of everything for you? The built-in roll storage and cutter in both machines make bag preparation smooth, but they feel slightly different in practice. With the Foodsaver 4840, the roll storage is tucked neatly inside the unit, making it feel like a self-contained station where everything has its place. You pull, cut, and seal in one continuous motion, almost like the machine is guiding you through the process. The Nesco VS-12 also offers roll storage and a cutter, but paired with its wider range of sealing settings, it feels more like a workshop tool, ready to help you customize bag sizes and sealing styles for whatever you're preparing. This is where the Nesco versus Foodsaver debate really comes alive, because you can see how one brand focuses on simplicity while the other leans into versatility. When you think about long-term storage, both machines excel, but in slightly different ways. The Foodsaver 4840 gives you the confidence of a strong, consistent seal that's perfect for freezer storage, bulk meats, and sous vide cooking. It's the kind of reliability that makes you feel comfortable stocking your freezer for months ahead. The Nesco VS-12, with its double sealing capability, adds an extra layer of assurance. You can almost hear the crisp finality of that second seal. And it gives you peace of mind when you're storing foods that you don't plan to touch for a long time. This is why so many people researching Nesco VS-12 versus Foodsaver 4840 end up weighing whether they value that extra sealing precision or the all-in-one convenience of Foodsaver's design. If you've ever vacuum sealed a big batch for the freezer, let me know in the comments how important a strong seal is for you. If you imagine yourself as someone who values speed, simplicity, and a machine that integrates seamlessly into your daily routine, the Foodsaver 4840 is the model that fits that lifestyle. It's polished, intuitive, and versatile enough to handle not just bags, but also containers and accessories. If, however, you picture yourself as someone who enjoys having control, who likes the idea of tailoring suction strength, choosing seal styles, and experimenting with different foods, the Nesco VS-12 is the machine that will feel like it was built for you. It's versatile, powerful, and endlessly adaptable, giving you the tools to preserve food exactly the way you want. In the broader Foodsaver versus Nesco conversation, this is the key difference. One emphasizes effortless convenience, while the other emphasizes customizable control. In the end, both the Foodsaver 4840 and the Nesco VS-12 deliver freshness, savings, and the satisfaction of pulling perfectly preserved food from your freezer or pantry. The difference lies in the experience. With Foodsaver, you gain effortless convenience. With Nesco, you gain refined control. Choosing between them is less about which one is better and more about which one feels like the right partner for your kitchen and your style of cooking.